Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, and today we're showing you our 81 Chevy C10. Nice southern truck, California, Arizona. Got a book in there with a bunch of receipts, probably about what I'm asking for it is what the receipts are on it. Older guy died, it appears that he died, so his wife must have decided to sell it. So here you can see it's had some rock chips and they did not do a very good job touching them up. But so the paint job, I'm guessing it's about 10 years old. Receipts for a new 350, 300 horse motor, 700 R4 tranny. So I think that bill was $12,000 alone. So, but nice rust-free truck. Interior probably was done a few years ago. One little cut in there and a little fading here on this. There you can see the book with all the receipts. Typical southern truck, got some cracks on the dash. CD player, non-air truck. The door panels don't match. I do have some brown ones. I will probably be changing them out, just so you know. Except for the most part, the body's in good shape. No major issues. A chip or a scratch here and there is about all you're gonna see. So just nice driving truck. Still got the original wood floor in it. They got a mat over the top of it. I think that's the worst spot on anything. That's scratchy. Bedside got good looking wheels and tires on it. A sliding rear window. Just a nice truck, drives nice. We'll show you a video of that. So if you're looking for a nice little step-side short box to cruise around in that mechanically is very, very good shape and body-wise nice and rust-free. So got any questions, give me a call, 605-695-7391.